In addition to direct actions, you can also manage reference nodes in various ways. Taking that same node and referencing it, you can use Command K and clone the reference, in which case it is no longer a reference node. It doesn't have that dotted line around the circle anymore. It is a clone of that node. If you make changes to it now, those changes will not be reflected from that point on in the original node. You can also duplicate the node, which results in slightly different behavior. Again, using the command line, duplicate. It creates a copy below the currently referenced node. Again, changes do not impact the original node. You can also, using a reference node, bring the original node to that location if that's where you would prefer to have. So I have the reference node here, Command K, bring referenced node here, and now it's not a referenced node. It switches places with the original node. Now the original node is a reference. So if I make changes to what used to be the original node, but it's now a reference node, if I look under what is now the original node, they are connected. So again, this is the original node now. And this, bring here, this node is now the owner of all reference nodes to this node. Finally, you can delete either a reference node, just like you would any normal node. You hit Command Shift Backspace. You can also delete the original node the same way. What happens then is any reference nodes get this little trash can icon. What this means is that the node is now in the trash, the original node is. And you can check that out by going to the trash. And here we have child. Now, if I click on this trash can icon, what happens is this option appears to move out of trash. I do that, notice that the deleted original child is now here. And the child that's in the trash is just a reference of this now new original child. Again, references are very simple, but they can have very complex uses. If you have a question about this video, or you'd like to request a future video, drop a comment below. This video is part of a playlist called Tana Bits, so check out the other videos there. And subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updates on any future content.